Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to download, install, and set up your first meeting using Zoom. Zoom is a popular virtual meeting app that allows you to hold meeting with various participants once they have the Zoom ID and the Zoom meeting information. You can use it for a lot of things. You can use it to do online classes, meetings. So my browser is open currently. I'll just go ahead and type download Zoom. I won't be using all of this because as you can see, the URL is not from Zoom. So, and it's showing there is an ad, it's an advertisement, so I won't be using that. But this is showing that it's zoom.us, which is reliable, so I can just go ahead and click the download center. So I am the download center for Zoom. I can sign up, it's free to sign up, or I'll just go ahead to download. I can download this here, but for Macs with Apple Silicon chips, click here to download. So that's exactly the chip that is on my Mac, so I won't click on this. So you just have to know what your operating system is all about, so you know the software that is compatible with your operating system. So I'll just click on here, and as you can see, it says downloading. I'll go to my downloads folder and try to open the Zoom. Click on continue and then it said this would take 61.2 MB of space on my computer. Do I want to install? I'll just go ahead and install. I'm not changing the location, it's just install it in the location that is meant for apps. So I'll just go ahead and click on install. So it's asking me for my password. I'm just going to put that in and click on install software. So as you can see, the installation is successful. I can now decide to close my app. Do you want to move the Zoom installer to the recycle bin? That's if I want to, but I don't want to. If I want to move it, it's fine. I already have it installed, so I can decide to move it. Then our Zoom is asking us to join a meeting or we should sign in. So if for example you already have a meeting ID you want to join, then it's fine, you can just click on join meeting. But we are trying to set up a meeting or host a meeting, so we are actually not joining a meeting. Go ahead and sign in. So let me click on sign in, and it's going to ask me for my email and all that. So I'll just sign up with my Google account. I think that's faster. And then it takes me to Google. I have a bunch of Google accounts, so I'll just click on that. Do you want to allow this page to open Zoom? Allow. And then I say you're opening the application for the first time. Are you sure you want to open this application? Yeah, open the application. And so I have successfully signed in on Zoom. So if you have a Gmail account, it's very easy. You can just go ahead and instead of typing, but if you like to type in your email password and all that, please go ahead and do just that. So now I have this interface where I can actually go ahead and create a meeting. So as you can see, there is a new meeting. I can join, I can share screen, or I can schedule. Click on schedule to schedule a meeting and set up a meeting. So I'll just click on this, and I have this interface to schedule a meeting. Your schedule settings have been synced from your Zoom web portal. I can change the default settings if I want to. I'll just click on close to close that. So now we have to set up our topic. What is our meeting going to be about? Maybe if it's a professional meeting, you can be end of year review, for example, and let's say we will be doing it tomorrow, which is the 4th, and it's going to be by 11 a.m. You have to set the time 11 a.m. It's going to hold for an hour, so that will be by 12, and it's going to end that then. So you're saying that your Zoom basic plan has a 40 minutes time limit on meetings with 3 or more participants. I should upgrade. So this is actually the free version of it. You can actually do a meeting of up to 100 people, 100 participants with the free version. But if you want the paid one, you can do up to 1,000 participants with the paid versions, and it comes with a lot of other features like streaming live on Facebook and YouTube and the rest. So you can it comes with a lot of other good plans and services, but this is actually the free version. So I can actually do only 40 minutes time limit, or I upgrade. But I'm just going to click on do not show this message again, and it's asking if this is a recurring meeting. If it's a recurring meeting, that's the meeting you will have to do maybe every day or also. So you just have to select that, but this is not in that case. I'm just trying to set up a meeting that is not, so I'll just leave that place blank. It's asking for a meeting ID. Do you want to generate it automatically, or you want a personal meeting ID? And this is my personal meeting ID. If I want a personal meeting ID such that it's always static, it's not dynamic in that sense, so I'll just go and select the personal meeting ID, and so that will always be the meeting ID. But it's only the users that have the invite link or the passcode that can actually join a meeting. So I can put my password here as this. So I'll have to share the meeting ID and the password for people to join, or the link it will generate automatically after this will be what people will use to join the meeting. So it has the waiting room. So what the waiting room is all about is that when people join the meeting, they are kept in a waiting room. So the hosts have to now allow the people to join the meeting such that they'll be able to hear and see all that is going on in the meeting. So that is what the waiting room is all about. But if I don't want my participants to be in a waiting room, I just want it to be open. Once you put in the details, you can go ahead and join the meeting. I'll unselect this so it won't do that. Video is saying that the host video is on, but if I don't want my face to show, I can put it as off, and participants as well is on. But if I don't want participants video faces to show, but for this meeting is end of year review, right? Maybe like performance review at the workplace, so we need everybody's faces to be showing. I'm just going to leave the default settings there. I'm just going to leave it at Google Calendar. There are other advanced options, but I'm not going to go into all that details now. I'm just going to show you what next. So I'm just going to click on save, choose an account to continue to Zoom. So I'll just go ahead and select this account I'm using, signing up. It's asking me to grant permission for Google Zoom to view my calendar, so I'm going to allow that, and also confirm it by allowing again. So basically what you did here is just to like put it on your Google Calendar to remind you, send you notification about your meeting. So I'm just going to go to the Zoom app right now, and I'll click on meetings, and so you can see my meeting is already here, the title is here, the time, my meeting ID and all. I can decide to start it now, copy invitation link, or edit the settings. So I can come here, copy my invitation link, and basically send it to people. If you come here, you'll see Rita Sole is inviting you with a Zoom link and the password and all that. So basically that is it for this video. So if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you know anybody that does a lot of meetings virtually these days, that we cannot we cannot gather and we have to observe social distancing, so please share it with your friends, share it with your loved ones, and I would like to hear from you in the comment section what you think about this video, if you learn a thing or two. So yeah, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. So bye.